Now we see what is profession and how management as a profession. So what is profession here? See, when it comes to profession, it is a well defined profession. When we are doing chartered accountancy course, for example, chartered accountancy is a profession, so you acquire a certain kind of knowledge for it. Even a doctor, he is professional, so he would acquire a systematized certain knowledge, and hence we can say that it is a well defined body of knowledge. Now there is a restricted entry. Can everyone become chartered accountant? No. You have to clear certain exams and then you have to study for it. And then after clearing the exams, the institute would give you the degree as such. Okay, even for doctor you have to take the entry. You need certain marks after that only. When you giving the exams and clearing the exams, you would become a doctor, and hence there is a restricted entry in the profession. Now there is always professional association. You would have seen, like for example, CAs would have members. As a member, we are associated with the institute as such, so we have a personal association with the institute from which we are getting a degree as such, and then we have to follow the ethical code of conduct. So the moment I became a CA and I became a member of the institute, there were certain ethical code of conduct which needs to be followed. If I fail to do so, then I am being penalized for the same. And the chances of that particular degree is removed from my name. Okay, now the motive here is to provide a service when it comes to doctors, when it comes to CAs, for example, even architects. They always have a motive of providing services to the society on a large. Okay, now remember, management does not make the exact criteria of profession, but still management is considered as a profession. Now we do not have an ethical code of conduct, or we do not have professional association, but still it is considered as a profession. Let's see now. See, management is profession as marked growth in management as a discipline. We have seen over the years what has happened, that the growth in management has been tremendous. Okay, there has been too much of research on this subject. There has been many principles which have been founded out, and hence there has been a marked growth in management as a discipline. Okay, so secondly, the systematized body of knowledge, because we find or well defined principles has been established on variety business situation. Now when you do MBA, for example, that is your management in business administration, you can learn these principles in detail, and hence nowadays we acquire such knowledge through universities and colleges. When we do BBA or MBA, there is no restriction on anyone being designated or being appointed as a management in a business enterprise. So, unlike a profession, entries are restricted, designation is given only after you clear exams. In an organization, anyone can be a manager. Here, what happened nowadays is that there are not many organizations who prefer hiring people who have acquired this specialized knowledge of management, and hence it is an association of a practicing manager also. See, we have this IMA, that is All India Management Association, which has laid down a code of conduct and it regulates the members. So now again, because of IMA and similar kind of institution, we are having an approach which is as good as being a professional management. Also provides services also, which helps the organization to achieve its stated goal. So, on this parameter, we can see that management is a profession.